What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download the modded version of Rec Room, in which you can get free unlimited tokens and a free store mod. And the best part about this modded version is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. So it doesn't matter whichever device I'm using in this video, and it doesn't matter either that whichever device you use. Like I just said, it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices, which means that whichever device you're using, just follow the steps I'll be showing you later in this video and you'll be able to get this modded version of Rec Room downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices, in which you can get free unlimited tokens and a free store mod. Now, first things first, the best part, like I said, about this app is that this modded version is that it is downloadable and compatible with both Android and iOS devices. But what's the best part about this video? Why should you watch this video till the end? Because in this video, later in this video, I'll be showing you some steps by following which you will be able to get this modded version of Rec Room downloaded into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. Which means both the users of Android and iOS devices, you guys are at the right place. You don't have to go anywhere else searching for more videos, but instead watch this video till the end, save some time, and definitely get the trick to download this modded version of Rec Room into any of your iOS or Android mobile devices. So basically, if you had the normal version of Rec Room and you wanted to purchase tokens, you would definitely go to the store and pay some real money to purchase that. But in this modded version of Rec Room, you come up to the store to buy tokens, but what you notice is that all these different packages of tokens are costing me $0, which means I don't have to pay, or you don't have to pay a single penny to purchase these tokens. And since they're all costing you and me $0, since they're costing $0, the moment you click on any particular package, that particular amount of tokens that is being offered by that package is transferred to your personal tokens, which is how all these tokens are free and are unlimited. And this is what a free store mod means. Everything in the store is for free, and since these tokens are for free, you can purchase any amount of tokens you want and go purchase any other things which are like purchased by utilizing the tokens. So you just saw that I went up to 399,000 tokens in no time. So this way you can just go on and keep clicking on these different packages of tokens and end up increasing the amount infinitely, and there's no limit, no cooling down period, no certain threshold of how many tokens that can be redeemed in a certain period of time. Everything is infinite, and all you have to do is basically go on to keep clicking on these different packages of tokens, and your personal tokens will be increased by the amount of tokens you're clicking on without paying a single penny. And this is how this game offers a free store mod and free unlimited tokens in this modded version of Rec Room. Whereas if you had the normal version of Rec Room, you would definitely have to pay real money in order to purchase these tokens, and definitely you would be spending real money, which costs a lot. And look at that, I just went from 399,000 to 589,000 in just less than a minute. And this is how crazy sick modded version this is. Look at that, 687, 736, oh my goodness, 785. And this is how quickly your fate can change in this game, in this Rec Room, in this modded version of Rec Room. You don't have no idea how powerful this modded version can be. If you're definitely a returning player, you can find this modded version far more amusing than if you're a new player. You can definitely get a head start with this modded version. This is the Rec Room Plus, the modded version of Rec Room. What I'll be doing over here is that I will simply delete it for now so that I can show you how to install it again. And this is the icon underneath the wallet icon for Rec Room Plus. So I'll simply delete it right now, and then I'll show you how to download it again. So let's just go on to delete it, and boom. So now the next thing is that you have to move on to the steps, and which is that you have to locate and open the settings of your phone. Exactly. Go to the settings, and now step number 1 is that you have to go down to your battery settings and make sure that your low power mod on your iOS devices and your power saving or battery saving mods on your Android devices are turned off. This is step number 1, which is for both Android and iOS devices, in which you have to make sure that your power saving mods are off on either of your Android and iOS devices. Once you've done that, simply exit your battery settings and move on to step number 2, which is that you have to go back up to your general settings, and this is only for iOS devices, and go to your background app refresh underneath the iPhone storage and make sure it is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else. Exactly, you have to make sure that your background app refresh is on Wi-Fi and cellular data and on nothing else, and this is step number 2, which is only for iOS devices. Once you've done that, simply exit your general settings and scroll down to your browser settings, and this is step number 3, which is for both Android and iOS devices. Go to the settings of the browser you're using and go to the privacy and security section and turn off the option that says block all cookies, because if your cookies are blocked, your downloading process will be affected. Once you've done these 3 adjustments in your settings of your phone, simply close the settings of your phone and hit open the browser for which all the cookies have been unblocked. And all items in store are for free, unlimited tokens, and if it's signed for not revoking, you can just go on to install it by clicking here and start the injection process. Now remember, there is no need for jailbreaking and rooting over here. It is as simple and straightforward as I'm showing you it is. But the only reason I have fast forwarded the video over here is to make it short, because the injection process may take up to a few minutes, however not too long. And once the injection process finishes, you will be asked to complete this one last easy step. And being the final step, it is the easiest one as well, and I'll show you how to do it, so do not worry at all. So let's move on to the step, and so in this step I have to install 2 apps from the list below and follow the instructions to complete the injection process. Now I'm being offered a wide range of instructions over here, out of which I have to complete 2 indefinitely. I'll be completing 2 easiest of all the instructions, and my first one is going to be, let me check, it is going to be present. I have to install this app and run it for 30 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded from the official Apple Store or the Play Store if in case you're using an Android device, so they're 100% safe to use. And they've instructed me to run this app for 30 seconds, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds to be on the safe side, and would recommend you guys to do the same as well. And you might not notice it over here because the video has been fast forwarded to make it short, otherwise I have run it for 40 to 50 seconds, and rightfully so. I've completed my instruction number 1, and now I'll be going on to complete my instruction number 2, which is going to be a similar one, and that is going to be, let me check, an easier one, Norton Secure VPN, I guess. Again, run it for 30 seconds after installation, but I will run it for 40 to 50 seconds. Now remember, these apps are downloaded during the injection process, and you may delete these apps once you have your contents downloaded, just to optimize your storage if you have storage problems. And once you've completed both your instructions, simply close everything and return to your home page, and you will notice that your Rec Room Plus will have been downloaded just the way it has been downloaded over here for me in these few simple steps. So I hope you liked the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, share this video, and I'll see you next time in another video. Until then, take care and bye.